Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we're going to talk about daily stock market review, and we will figure out, is it bear market trend, what's going on with the stock market today. Stock market world, let's move to trading view. Heat map for stock heat map. It's a lot of red, but at the same time, some of them green. Most of them it's a Qs, high-tech stocks, technology stocks, because like Qs, the most positive index. Looks like, yeah, Qs, they're expecting to get interest cut, and that's why they're kind of bullish for large corporations. You see only large corporations green. Okay, let's move to our watch list, and let's do technical analysis review. It's trading view. Before, let me briefly mention about my trading view setup. If you want to learn more about trading view setup, just go to the description. There is the link about trading view setup and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about it. Let's start from, I'm using moving averages, SMA 200, SMA 200 white line, EMA 200, EMA 20 yellow line, SMA 10 red line, SMA 5 green line. Just buy and sell script. That's all. And MACD indicator. Green line is a bullish, red line is a bearish, white line is a signal line between bullish and bearish, and yellow line is between bullish and bearish territory. Also, I'm using Heikanaichi and RSI, yellow line, RSI line, Heikanaichi bars, green is a bullish, red is a bearish. That's all. Let's start it. And volume also. Let's start at SPY, daily time frame. Remember, for swing trading, I'm using daily time frame and 4 hours time frame. My style is just follow the market direction. I don't fight with the market direction. I don't guess and pray. Just follow the market direction, right? Let's see on the MACD. Now let's start it. And I like when all indicators align in the same trend direction. That's for me 98% confirmation. That's I'm in the right trend direction. When some of them like 50-50, it's not a full confirmation. I need 100% confirmation. Okay, let's start it. This major trend line, green line, for SPY, let's start SPY daily. This is a major trend line, and it started 14 months ago. It did close on the daily time frame. Let's start the daily time frame. It closed below this major trend line. Today it moved up, and it looks like it did even close above. Yesterday it moved up, touched the MA 200. It was rejected, moved down in the futures, and it came back to the major trend line. It retested trend line, right? Now it's retested, it can easily move down. It will continue to move down. All moving averages downtrend, MA 20 downtrend, MA 510 downtrend, right? Still bearish trend on moving averages, sell signal on the script. MACD still red, still bearish. RSI in the bearish territory. Heikanaichi is still red. Bearish trend on daily time frame for SPY. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours. MA5 ready for bullish crossover. Didn't confirm yet. MACD wants to do bullish crossover. Didn't confirm yet. Heikanaichi switch from red to green. Still RSI in the bearish territory, and bounce from the oversold territory. It's kind of on the edge. It wants on the 4 hours, looks like it wants to go bullish. We'll see. No full confirmation yet. On 1 hour time frame, it is already bullish, right? Buy signal on the script. MA5 ready for bullish crossover. MACD green bullish crossover, Fibonacci bullish, RSI in the bullish territory. Bullish trend on all indicators on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame it's a bullish. 4 hours and daily it's still bearish. Let's move to Qs. Qs daily. Qs the strongest index compared to SPY, Dow Jones and Russell 2000. Qs MA5 still below 10, it's still bearish, but on the script it's already bullish. And volume, you see, volume was powerful. Same volume powerful was on the SPY. MACD, let me maximize it a little bit. MACD still red also. Fibonacci already green. It's in a mixed mode, like 2 indicators bearish, 2 indicators bullish. 50-50 mode on the Qs, that's why the last bar is still above all moving averages, it is positive. And it's still above MA200, all moving averages above 200, not like other indexes. It didn't go and it didn't test it major trend line. This green trend line started 14 months ago from the top of the market. The bars didn't test it. They tested only MA200 and bounced from it. Like 2 times already, 3 times. That's kind of, it's the strongest maybe because Qs they're expecting that Fed will do red cut. Maybe they will do, I don't know. For some reason Qs the more stronger, technology more stronger on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. Bullish trend, bullish signal. Bullish signal on MACD, on Fibonacci green bullish. Buy signal on the script. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 or over 20. It's a bullish on 4 hours time frame. Qs bullish on 4 hours time frame. Positive. 1 hour time frame, also bullish. Bullish on 1 hour time frame. It touched the last bar, touched MA200. The same story was here. It was rejected from MA200 and it moved bearish. We'll see. Will it be the same situation? And it's kind of now it's around 300 area, 298. It is very active zone and it can be rejected. So far, it's bullish on all indicators on 1 hour time frame. Only one negative. It's not negative. It's only one issue can be resistant MA200. It can be rejected from MA200. Very strong resistant level. Okay, that's what we have for Qs. Qs positive, bullish on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. On daily, it's positive also, 50-50 mode. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones daily. Last bar around major trend lines. This green line, it's a major trend line from the top of the market. Lower trend line. Blue line is the upper trend line. It tested this trend line. It touched 3 times already and closed above that major trend line. We'll see. And it's disconnected from MA5, disconnected from MA10 and 20. It's far from 20. It definitely wants to connect. MACD is still bearish. Fibonacci is still bearish. RSI still in the negative territory, but it has bullish divergences, right? Look at it. RSI has bullish divergence, and the price action from here, it's a downtrend, right? Price action downtrend, RSI has uptrend bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on the MACD histogram also. It wants to go bullish, but still bearish. Similar on the histogram. On the MACD histogram, but trend still bearish, all indicators still bearish. It has bullish divergences, but the bullish divergences can stay longer. Let's move to 4 hours. Let me check. Yeah. Okay. 4 hours. 4 hours for Dow Jones. Similar story. Fibonacci red. MACD on the 4 hours. It also has bullish divergences. Fibonacci red. RSI in the bearish territory. MACD red. No bullish crossover on the moving averages. MA5 still below 10, still bearish trend. Still sell mode on the script. On 4 hours time frame, still bearish trend. No changes. MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish direction. That's daily. MA20 downtrend, it's a bearish direction also. MA5 did bearish crossover over 200, bearish direction. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a buy signal. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover. MACD green, Fibonacci green. On 1 hour time frame, it is bullish. It is bullish. It touched MA20. We'll see if it will be rejected from MA20 like it was here. It was multiple times rejected from MA20. On 1 hour time frame, bullish. On 4 hours and daily, still bearish. On 1 hour time frame, it also has bullish divergences, right? RSI, look at it, uptrend. Price action, downtrend. MACD, uptrend. RSI, uptrend. On 1 hour time frame, it has bullish divergences. Let's move to Russell 2000 daily. On 1 hour time frame, they have bullish divergences. Russell 2000 daily. Bearish trend. MACD bearish. Fibonacci bearish. RSI was in oversold territory. And this green line is a major trend line from top of the market from 14 months ago. Started. Volume is huge. It was huge volume for the last few days. Still bearish trend. The last bar far from MA20. MA20 downtrend direction. Bearish trend. And even last bar far from MA5. Yesterday it connected to MA5 and today it moved down and disconnected from MA5. Bearish trend on daily time frame for Russell 2000. 4 hours time frame, still bearish. Bearish on all indicators on 4 hours time frame. MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. Bearish trend. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame for short time frame, it's a bullish. MACD green, Fibonacci green, green bars. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover. In 1 hour, it wants to have some bounce, and especially it has bearish bullish divergences, right? Like price action is downtrend on 1 hour time frame. On the MACD, it's an uptrend. I'm sorry. Bullish divergences on the RSI also. Bullish divergences on all indicators on 1 hour time frame. Now let's move to Apple. Let's go to Apple. Apple daily. Apple daily still sell signal on the script. MA5 still about 10. Still bullish trend. MACD green. Fibonacci green. Still on daily time frame. Still kind of flat. Bullish, but it's flat. No large actions. Still flat. MA20. All moving averages above MA200 and bar above all moving averages. It is kind of positive, still bullish. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Bullish signal, bullish trend. MA5 did bullish crossover. MA5 did bullish crossover, yes, on 4 hours time frame. MACD bullish crossover, Heikanachi green, RSI in the positive territory. Bullish trend on 4 hours time frame. Bullish trend on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame. Bullish signal also. Apple daily flat on 4 hours and daily positive. Still bullish on all indicators. Let's move to Tesla. That's why Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Google, they push Qs, right? They push Qs up because they're still positive. Let's move daily Tesla. Tesla daily negative, still bearish. Last bar close above MA5, but still bearish trend on all indicators. No changes. RSI, Heikanachi, all bearish. MACD bearish. Daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, it's different, it's bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover. Buy signal on the script. MACD, RSI, Heikanachi, all bullish on 4 hours time frame. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour it was bullish and it came bearish. It touched the MA20, bounced from MA20. MACD wants to go bearish. Heikanachi green. It's a mixed mode. It's mixed mode, still bearish because it's still MA20 below 200. Still below 200. It's kind of it wants to be positive on 1 hour time frame, but still in the bearish mode. Let's move to BABA. Let's start BABA daily time frame. Alibaba Group. What's going on with BABA? Still bearish trend. Last bar still below all moving averages, in decision mode. MACD very close to signal line. Bullish divergences on the MACD histogram. Heikanachi still red. RSI still in the oversold territory on daily time frame. MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. It is still bearish trend on daily time frame. No changes. It has some bullish divergences, but still bearish trend. Remember, bullish divergences can stay longer for some time. 4 hours time frame. Last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. Bearish trend. MACD green. MACD green has histogram has bullish divergences. MACD has bullish divergences. Price action, the price action still downtrend, right? Price action still downtrend. MACD is uptrend. RSI has some bullish divergences. Heikanachi is still red. Still bearish trend with bullish divergences on 4 hours time frame. On 1 hour time frame, it's a buy mode. Similar bullish divergences. Let me minimize it. Show you. On MACD, you see it's a bullish divergences. On MACD, bullish divergences. Bullish divergences on RSI. And bullish divergences on MACD. Remove this one and create new one. On 1 hour time frame, bullish divergences, right? Bullish divergence, price action is down. Bullish divergences. 200 downtrend, all moving averages downtrend. It is bearish trend, but it has bullish divergences. It wants to have some correction. It wants to move up and connect to MA 200. On 1 hour time frame, you see it wants to move up and connect to this MA 200. It's far from 200. It wants to reconnect, and it has two resistance: $86 resistant and $94 resistant. It also has some gaps. And also it has some gaps. Gap over here at around $86, $85, and also gap around this $90, $94, $92. Bullish divergences, still bearish trend with bullish divergences. For bubble, let's move to US dollar. Just let's check the US dollar daily. US dollar daily. It's a green bar, still bearish. MA5 still below all MA10. Let me maximize it. Still MA5 still bearish crossover. It's a green bar. It's still green day. It was bullish day for dollar. It's interesting. Yeah, green day for dollar. MACD still bearish. Heikenach is still bearish. Daily time frame still bearish, but on 4 hours, I believe in 1 hour it's bullish. Yeah, on 4 hours and 1 hour it's already bullish. Bullish dollar, it's bearish indexes, but on daily it's still bearish. That's all. Let's move to SPY. Let's do summary. Huge volume for last 4 days. Huge volume on daily time frame. All indexes still bearish. On 4 hours time frame, all indexes still bearish. Also except Qs. On 1 hour time frame, all indexes bullish. On 1 hour time frame, they want to have some bounce, bullish divergences. Bullish signal on 1 hour time frame on all indexes. Only one positive and bullish index, it's the Qs. Nasdaq bullish on 1 hour time frame, on 4 hours time frame, and partially on daily time frame. 2 indicators bearish, 2 indicators bullish. All other indexes bearish. Only Qs. Remember, we follow the stock market, we follow the market trend, right? If you're trading SPY, S&P, you're still bearish on all time frame except 1 hour time frame. But for swing trading, we are using 4 hours on daily time frame, still bearish. On Qs, we are bullish because it's a bullish on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. On daily, it is still in the 50 mode, no full confirmation. It can quickly change direction to bearish, but the Qs, the most stronger, like I mentioned to you before, it didn't move below 200 and it didn't test major trend line. And I believe it will test it, but someday it will do it. Maybe this week, maybe next week, we'll see. But it's still the strongest index. That's all. Thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Thank you so much for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.